Here is a review of what happened in L period. Remember, this playback is 10 times speed, so watch closely how price behaves. L period broke below support and we shorted NQ at 29,700. Our target was just above prior day halfback around 29,600. Now watch how price moves as it tries to go for that G low. At first, the short looked right. Price looked weak, support broke, sellers had the opportunity. But then the behavior started to change. Shorts were pressing, but they were not getting their goal. Price was not accelerating lower. Sellers were not getting clean follow through, and more importantly, institutions were not fueling the downside. That's the hidden agenda. When shorts push, but price refuses to go lower, that is information. It tells us the sellers may be trapped and short covering may be next. So we flipped our bias from short to long. This is exactly what Dalton teaches in Market Profile. The market is an auction. You have to ask who is trapped, who is failing, and who is about to be forced out. Unfortunately, my stop was too tight going into MOC, and I got stopped out before the rally. Second day in a row, the read was right, but the stop placement was too tight for the environment. Others held and caught nearly 300 points. That's behavioral trading. The setup was right, the read was right, the lesson was risk placement. At Delta Gamma Vault, we don't trade candles, we trade behaviors. Follow us for more videos like this.